खुद को क्या समझते हो? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? हम तुम्हें यूं ही जाने नहीं दे सकते। We can't just let you walk away. We can't just let you walk away. वह इतने सालों के बाद भी तुम्हें क्यों परेशान कर रहा है? Why is he bothering you after all these years? Why is he bothering you after all these years? मैं तो बस प्यार से पूछने जा रहा हूँ। I am just gonna ask nicely. I am just gonna ask nicely. You can say, I am just going to ask nicely. I am just going to ask nicely. मैं इससे बुरे वक्त से भी गुजरा हूँ। I have been through worse. I have been through worse. सिर्फ जानने की ज़रूरत है कि वह कहाँ है। Just need to know where he is. Just need to know where he is. और मुसीबत मत खड़ी करो। Don't cause any more trouble. Don't cause me any more trouble. इस तरह से बर्ताव मत करो। Don't behave in that way. Don't behave in that way. मैं चाहती हूँ कि तुम अच्छे से बर्ताव करो। I want you to behave well. I want you to behave well. उसे खुश करना मुश्किल है। He is hard to please. He is hard to please. उससे गुस्सा रहना मुश्किल है। It's hard to be angry with him. It's hard to be angry with him. हर चीज की हद होती है। There is a limit for everything. There is a limit for everything. उसको बहुत ज़्यादा भी मत सुनाओ। Don't be too hard on him. Don't be too hard on him. शायद उसे मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही सुना दिया। Perhaps I was a little too hard on her. Perhaps I was a little too hard on her. तुम्हारी औकात क्या है? What is your status? What is your status? तुम होते कौन हो यह पूछने वाले? Who are you to ask? Who are you to ask? जुबान संभाल कर। Mind your language. Mind your language. उसने उसे जोर से थप्पड़ मारा। He gave her a hard slap. He gave her a hard slap. अगर तुम मेरी जगह होते तो क्या करते? What would you do if you were in my position? What would you do if you were in my position? यह तुम क्या बकवास कर रहे हो? What the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing? बस चुप होकर सुनो। Just shut up and listen. Just shut up and listen. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई है सब कहने की? How dare you say all this? How dare you say all this? अपनी औकात में रहो। Stay within your limits. Stay within your limits. You can say, be in your limits. Be in your limits. तुम कभी किसी की नहीं सुनते। You never listen to anyone. You never listen to anyone. जो जी में आए करो। Knock you yourself. Knock you yourself. मुझे किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं है। I don't need anyone. I don't need anyone. मैं अकेला ही खुश हूँ। I am happy alone. I am happy alone. तुम चुप क्यों नहीं हो जाते? Why don't you shut up? Why don't you shut up? क्या तुम बच्चों को चुप नहीं करा सकती? Can't you shut the children up? Can't you shut the children up? अपनी जुबान पर लगाम दो। Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. तमीज से बात करो। Talk with manners. Talk with manners. मुझे उंगली मत दिखाओ। Don't show me finger. Don't show me finger. क्या तुम्हें एक बार में समझ नहीं आता? Don't you understand at once? Don't you understand at once? अपनी नजरें नीचे रखो। Keep your eyes down. Keep your eyes down. मैंने तुम्हें रंगे हाथों पकड़ा है। I have catch you red-handed. I have catch you red-handed. क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you mad? Are you mad? बस बहुत हुआ। That's enough. That's enough. यह किस तरह की बकवास है? What kind of nonsense is it? What kind of nonsense is it? मैं तुम्हें चेतावनी दे रहा हूँ। I am warning you. I am warning you. मुझे हाथ लगाने की हिम्मत मत करना। Don't you dare to touch me. Don't you dare to touch me. मुझसे बहस मत करो। Don't argument with me. Don't argument with me. अपनी शक्ल दोबारा मत दिखाना। Don't show me your face again. Don't show me your face again. रुको, मैं तुम्हें अभी सबक सिखाता हूँ। Wait, let me teach you a lesson. Wait, let me teach you a lesson. तुम होश में नहीं हो। You are not in your sense. You are not in your sense. तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब हो गया है। You are off your head. You are off your head.